If your side dish can be prepared in advance, last 5 days, and tastes even better cold, you've struck gold. This simmered Kiriboshi Daikon does exactly that. Let's unlock the secret. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Kiriboshi Daikon Sudachi to find me. Add 50 grams of dried shredded daikon, what we call Kiriboshi Daikon, to a bowl and cover it with cold water. Massage gently with your hands, then drain. We'll repeat that, wash and drain 2 more times, 3 in total. Kiriboshi Daikon is simply sun-dried shredded daikon radish that dry and concentrates sweetness and umami while giving a satisfying springy chew. It's a classic Japanese pantry hero, widely loved since the Edo period. After the third rinse, place it in a clean bowl and drop in 1 dried shiitake. Pour in 300 ml of fresh water and let it soak for 20 minutes. While it rehydrates, julienne 75 grams of carrot and slice 2 fresh shiitake mushrooms. Match their cross-section to the daikon strands for a better bite and a more unified flavor. Lift the Kiriboshi Daikon out of the water and squeeze it firmly. Keep the soak in liquid. This is a flavorful daikon and shiitake stock that we will use later on. Trim the stem from the rehydrated mushroom and slice it too. If the daikon strands feel too long, cut them in 2/3. I'm also using Satsumaage. It's a fish paste that has been shaped and deep fried, basically a fish cake. If you're looking for subs, other fish cakes like chikuwa or kamaboko are great swaps. Even atsage tofu or aburaage as plant-based options will be okay too. For the Satsumaage, pour boiling water over it to rinse off some surface oil, then slice it to roughly the same thickness as the shiitake. Set a large pan over medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of oil. When it's hot, add the carrot, the shiitake and the rehydrated shiitake. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a squeezed daikon and 100 grams of Satsumaage and stir fry for 1 more minute. Pouring all the daikon soak in liquid plus 1 tablespoon of sake and 1.5 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Stir to dissolve the sugar, then let it simmer at a steady medium-low for about 5 minutes. When most of the liquid has gone, add 3 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of mirin, and simmer again until the liquid is nearly absorbed. Just a thin glossy sheen left in the pan. That light glaze is the goal. Time to taste. Try a strand and a carrot. If you'd like a touch more saltiness, add about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce at a time and stir through. When you're happy with it, drizzle over some toasted sesame oil. Let it cool. It's lovely warm and cool. Plate it up and finish with a sprinkle of white toasted sesame seeds. And that's our simmered Kiriboshi Daikon. Strands of daikon with a gentle chew, springy Satsumaage and soft shiitake, all glossed in a soy mirin sheen that doesn't shout, just lingers in the most pleasant way. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Want to learn every detail behind this recipe? You can find the full version and step-by-step tips on my website. Just tap the link on the screen. And for more recipes like this, head to my Japanese side dish playlist coming up next. Thanks for watching.